Think the sky is falling? Let's see if there's any truth to it. Throughout history, we've had our fair share of doomsday predictions. Take Nibiru, also known as Planet X. Rumor had it this mystery planet was on a crash course with Earth. Spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. Astronomers searched high and low, but no Nibiru to be found. Then there's Vulcan. In the 19th century, folks thought this planet lived between Mercury and the Sun, causing Mercury's wobbly orbit. Turns out, Vulcan was just a figment of imagination. No Vulcan, no collision. But let's get real for a second. Remember the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013? That was no myth. A rock the size of a house exploded over Russia, injuring over 1,000 people. It was a wake-up call for scientists to keep an eye out for these cosmic intruders. So, while rogue planets might be fiction, meteors are the real deal. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep looking up.